Hello, my name is Mark Harland and I'm here today to show you the components and operation of the Greyflow Pro system. What you can see here is the unit as you would receive when you purchase the Greyflow Pro. And right here under this cast iron cover is the unit installed. Let me show you how it works. The 600mm diameter Greyflow Pro pit is made from heavy duty polyethylene. The unit can be cut down in size to reduce the overall height and can also be extended. The sealing of the pit is done with a duty locking cover which keeps children and unwanted creatures out. On the outside of the tank you can see the 100mm inlet where your home greywater pipe connects into the system, the 100mm overflow to sewer on the opposite side where greywater overflows to sewer during backflush time, shutdown mode, or if the filter is blocked. The 25mm discharge pipe that would take the already filtered water to your garden. When we look inside the pit, we find the interceptor with the 250mm horizontal graded filter. The isolation screw-on cap is used to isolate the tank and stop the water flowing into the tank. A manual isolation valve can be used instead of the cap upon request. A 100mm integrated reflux valve which stops the sewer flowing back into the system in an unlikely event of a sewer backup. The pump with its 25mm discharge, non-return valves and quick coupling fittings. The low and high level float switches controlling the pump's operation are located in this semi-open tube. The electronic controller and air blower used for the automatic filter backflush are located in this plastic canister. Alternatively, the control unit and air blower can be installed into a cabinet and be wall mounted. Now that we have seen the different parts of the Greyflow Pro, let's see all those parts in action with this unit that was installed several months ago. Since the location was in the middle of a driveway, for safety reasons, a heavy-duty cast iron cover was placed on top. Inside we find the controller and different lights that would indicate the status of the system. A flashing green light indicates that the system is operating but in standby, waiting for the water level to reach the top float switch. A still red light indicates that the discharge pump has not been activated. A flashing red light indicates that the discharge pump has been activated. When someone takes a shower or the laundry washing machine is discharging, the grey water enters via the inlet, flows through the horizontal filter and starts filling the tank. Once the water level has reached the low level float switch, the controller 24-hour timer is activated. The pump will only start when the water level reaches the high level float switch or if 24 hours has elapsed, whichever occurs first. Once the water level drops below the low float switch, the pump will stop. The Greyflow Pro has a unique feature that helps to keep the entire system in better shape. This is known as the air backflush and it will occur automatically on the 10th on-off pumping sequence. The air backflush will run for a period of 2 minutes and as you can see will thoroughly backflush the filter with the existing incoming water and the compressed air. This compressed air generates turbulence and it is this turbulence that detaches the dirt from the filters. The hair, lint and dirt particles are expelled from the filter to the sewer overflow. Once the 2-minute backflush session has finished, then the water pump is activated and the grey water inside the tank is discharged until the water has reached the low level float switch. This 6-month-old garden has been irrigated by grey water only. As you can see, the plants are thriving. Why throw out the shower and laundry water when you can achieve this? Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed learning about the Greyflow Pro system.